not too big? Yes, they are too big for you. Can't walk on them.
I like walkie-talkies.
You like walkie-talkies.
I like walkie-talkies.
So what are you doing? Are you a girl today?
No.
No. Okay. But these are girls' shoes.
Why?
Um,
Why ain't Gail? Why ain't Gail?
not Gail. Girl.
Yeah. I am.
Quite good, Seb.
Why ain't I a kid?
And can you come to me now?
That is funny. Why is that funny?
It's not funny, Seb.
Yeah.
I'm just silly. Can you come to me now?
Why?
Can you do it?
Yeah.
Who-
That's it. Why?
Well done, Seb. Should we put some nail polish on your fingers?
No.
No.